Organs. The body has many organs, which are groups of tissues that work together to perform a particular function. We will discuss some of the major organs and their functions. The lungs are found inside the chest cavity. They consist of a series of tubes that lead to tiny air sacs called alveoli. This is where oxygen diffuses into the blood and carbon dioxide diffuses out of the body. The trachea is a large tube that transports air from the mouth or nose to the lungs. There are two bronchi which split from the trachea to take air towards each lung. The diaphragm is a muscle that contracts to create a larger space inside the lungs to draw air into the lungs from a high to a low pressure. The heart is an organ made from heart or cardiac muscle. It contracts to pump blood around the body. The digestive system is made from a number of organs. The stomach is a hollow bag where food arrives from the mouth via a muscular tube called the esophagus. In the stomach, food is broken down by mechanical and chemical digestion. Food is further digested by enzymes found in the small intestine, and at this point, nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream. In the large intestine, water is reabsorbed to form a solid mass of waste called feces. There are two accessory organs to digestion. This means that food does not directly flow through these organs, but they produce substances that are important in this process. The pancreas produces many of the enzymes needed for chemical digestion. The liver produces bile, which is required for the breakdown of fats. The liver has also many other roles. For example, it filters the blood to remove and break down toxic chemicals like alcohol. The kidneys filter the blood to remove a waste product called urea. They also help regulate the water and salt levels of the blood, producing the correct volume of urine that is required. Urine produced in the kidneys travels via the ureter to the bladder, where it is stored and released from the bladder as it fills via a tube called the urethra. Both male and female bodies have specific reproductive organs. In men, the testes produce sperm and the sex hormone testosterone. The penis is an organ that is able to become erect to deliver sperm into the woman. The penis is also important for urination. In females, the ovaries contain the egg cells. Once per month, an egg matures and travels down the fallopian tubes or oviducts towards the uterus. If fertilization takes place, implantation allows the development of the embryo. If not, the lining of the uterus is shed, called menstruation. This is a woman's period. The brain is the organ that receives electrical signals from receptors all over the body. It coordinates body actions by sending signals to organs via the nerves and the spinal cord.